Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that after the market opening, gold is coming down. This is not a trend reversal. Keep in mind, this is not a trend reversal. We are just having some correction on the market, as we discussed on my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday. Today I will not be repeating the same stuff. If you want a detailed analysis on gold USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same things and bore you again. Okay. And if you look at the chart of DXY or US dollar, then as per our expectation, DXY or US dollar is going for consolidation. Okay, so keep in mind that as long as DXY will be trading in this range, we will not be having some huge moves in the market. And on the other hand, at one point of time, if it breaks the flag and starts going up, then obviously there will be turmoil in the market again. So the strategy for gold USD remains the same. Keep in mind, if you are looking for a safe trading opportunity or the safest trading opportunity on gold USD, then your strategy should be, if gold comes down to the support level of 1830, then you will go for a buy. Why 1830 is a support? Because previously this was the resistance. Okay, because if you see on the chart, then you won't find any proper reason here. Previously 1830 was the resistance, therefore this level will be acting as the new support. So if it comes down to 1830 level and bounces, that is the safest trading opportunity for you. Okay, that is your point number one. Secondly, if gold goes up from here after a couple of hours, if you find gold going up from here, then watch the price of gold at 1868 or 1870 level. 1868 or 1870 level. If you find gold reversing from this particular level of 1868, 1870, you can take a sell position. Beginners and new traders, please do not take this sell position, because see, if you just look at the trend of the market here, then you can clearly see that gold is an uptrend right now. And as I always say, trend is your friend, follow the trend. So if you take a sell position, it will be against the trend of the market, so it is quite risky. So beginners and new traders can avoid taking sell position if gold USD reverses from this particular level. That is your second trading opportunity. Third trading opportunity is, in case there is a sudden buying on gold and gold starts going up, then you can take a buy position above 1870 level. Okay, if you find gold is very bullish, gold is about to reach the sky again, then you can go for a buy above 1870 level. Okay, so that is your third trading opportunity, taking a buy position at 1870 level. And on the other hand, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here, but let me be very honest here and always keep in mind for the future also, trend lines like these are not very reliable. Why? Because steeper the trend line, the less reliable it is. Always try to go for or trust the trend line that is like 45-degree angle or 50-degree angle. Trend lines should not be very steep, always keep in mind. Okay, so this trend line is not much reliable. And on the other hand, still if it bounces, that's your decision, you can trust it. But I would like to mention one more level here that I already discussed in the previous video, that the psychological level of 1850 here. Okay, we have 1850, and 1850 maybe act as a psychological support in the market. Okay, because yes, levels like 1900, 1800, 1850, 1750, these numbers act as psychological support in the market. So yes, there is a possibility of market bouncing from 1850 level as well. If it bounces, if you see the bounce is good enough, you can also go for buy. That is another trading opportunity. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold USD as of now. Okay, so bye bye, take care.